Are you looking for the best credit card or naghahanap ka lang ng additional credit card? Or lalang, trip mo lang, madami kang time sa buhay? Char! Then this video is for you. Eldo Marvel here, and for this video, we are going to talk about why RCBC AirAsia credit card is the best credit card for beginners. Bakit nga ba? For me guys, the best siya kasi there's a lot of benefits that you can get out of the card. Sobrang dami. Mas madami pa benefits dito compare sa benepisyo ng gobyerno. Char! Char lang. Imagine, the moment that you get approved for this card, you're entitled to receive 8,000 travel points or big points. Amazing, right? Ikaw na yung nangutang, ikaw pa yung makaka-receive ng reward points. So, ang galing. Yung reward points na yan, guys, that is something that you can use when you travel either local or international. And ang maganda pa dito, guys, for as low as 600 points, you can travel within the Philippines. Ang galing. Eto pa, whenever na may sale si AirAsia, pinaprioritize ka nila bago ipapublic yung sale. So, mapapasana all ka na lang talaga, di ba? Sana all pinaprioritize. So, kung hindi ka prioritize ng mahal mo dito sa RCBC, ipaprioritize ka nila. Eto pang malala, guys. Mas malala pa sa PhilHealth. Char. Guys, yung final call sale nila, you can get up to 90% off. Tinalo pa yung 80% na SM Supermarket. Ganun sila katindi pag nag-sale. Meron din siyang exclusive privileges. O, diba? Pang mayaman. Kasi automatic ka magiging platinum member the moment that you'll get approved for the card. So you get to experience yung priority check-in, yung boarding express baggage, and yung lounge sa airport. Sobrang convenient po, guys. So meron din sila ng 0% installment purchases abroad. So that means that lahat ng purchases mo abroad, you can ask RCBC to convert it into installment. So ito talagang literal na maximize your spending power. Ito yung buy now pay later talaga. And meron din sila ng bonus travel limit. Ito yung parang madness limit ni BPI. So on top of your credit limit, meron kang additional limit for travel. So tawag ka lang sa RCBC, let them know that you will be traveling, and then that's it. Madami pa silang benefits, guys, that you can take advantage. Hindi lang more on travel. Meron din sila ng unli installment up to 36 months. So whenever na may straight purchases ka, pwede mo siya pa-convert to installment. And ang maganda pa dito, guys, meron sila nung only 3 months, 0 interest. So, only 0, 3 months. Ganon. 0 interest siya for 3 months. Unlimited din po yun. So, sobrang ganda po. So, meron din sila ng balance conversion. Say, for example, na max mo na yung limit mo, hindi mo na kayang bayaran yung bill, minimum amount do ka lang ng minimum amount do, kasi magastos ka, hindi mo makontrol yung sarili mo, kaskas dito, kaskas doon, char, na nermon. Ito yung pinakamaganda para sa'yo, guys. You can request RCBC to convert your balance into installment para mas magaan yung monthly bill mo. So, meron din sila ng mga easy terms. Like, for example, installment for up to 36 months. Let's say, for example, bibili ka ng gadget or device sa mall, yung mga ganon. Meron din silang cash loan, guys. So, whenever that you need cash, I would suggest to take advantage on this one instead yung cash advance kasi medyo mataas ang interest nun. And yung pinakagusto ko, yung your cash. Parang madness limit din siya, guys. But this one, it's actually a cash. So, on top of your credit limit, you also have like additional limit for cash. So, let's say for example, 150 yung credit limit mo and then yung your cash mo is 150,000 din. Parang ganon. Ang galing, di ba? And guys, yung rewards nila, hindi lang siya more on travel. Pwede kayo mag-request ng shopping vouchers. Pwede mo rin i-deposit sa RCBC deposit account mo. Or you can convert the rewards into available credit. Pwede mo na siya i-donate kung mayaman ka naman. Sana all mayaman, di ba? And sobrang dami pa, guys. Hindi ko na diniscuss yung iba kasi baka abutin tayo ng linggo dito. Pero if you wanted to check more rewards and benefits that you can get out of the card, just visit RCBC website. So, ano nga ba ang pangit sa RCBC AirAsia credit card? Siguro yung design ng card. Eto. I'm not sure kung kita nyo siya. Pero para lang siyang value card. And also, guys, yung annual membership fee. Kasi medyo pricey siya. Pero kasi yung annual membership fee, that is something that we're aware. And before pa man tayo ma-approve ng card, naset na ni bank yung expectation natin about it. So, if you're smart enough to use your credit card, hindi kikita si bangko sa iyo eh. Ikaw pa yung makakabenepisyo sa kanya talaga. So, make sure to use your card wisely. And that's it. I hope you learned something on this review. Again, Ella the Marvel here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link on the description, and have a great day. Bye.